In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Thieve and Pexda. Now, whether you're running dropshipping or Amazon FBA or anything else, you know that using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and also being able to learn from your competitors is really important for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that can waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you find the perfect tool for you. I'm going to cover important information about both Thieve and Pexda, one at a time, including the product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both of them in the description so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools. Instead, focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone, unfortunately they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like like to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. Pexda stands out in its product discovery by providing a curated list of winning products. These selections are updated daily and they're accompanied by data-driven insights, including sales trends and potential profitability. The platform offers a star rating system, which helps users identify quickly the top performing products across various e-commerce platforms, including AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. Now let's talk about their market analysis. So the market analysis capabilities of Pexda are very robust. They're offering detailed insights into how each product performs in the market, including data on sales volume, geographic popularity, as well as demographic targeting. Pexda also provides Facebook ad insights for each product, including the ad copy, engagement rates, and audience demographics, which are invaluable for crafting effective marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pexda integrates directly with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their stores. While it focuses primarily on Shopify, the insights it provides are also applicable to other e-commerce platforms, though direct integration might be limited. What about their supplier database? Well, Pexda does not have a built-in supplier database. Instead, it links directly to the suppliers on AliExpress, facilitating a straightforward way to connect with suppliers, but without the additional vetting or ratings that some other tools provide. So what about the pricing and profitability tools? Pexda includes a built-in profitability calculator that helps users estimate profit margins by considering product costs, selling prices, and estimated advertising expenses. This tool is essential for users who want to evaluate the financial viability for each product before they actually commit to something. So what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Pexda is intuitive and it's really good. It's designed to help even beginners navigate through the tool effectively. It's clean and organized, and it makes it easy to access different features and find the necessary information quickly. The customer support and community is also pretty good. They actually offer customer support via email, and they have an active presence on social media where they share updates and engage with users. Additionally, Pexda provides access to a private Facebook group where you can exchange tips, ask stories, as well as share your success. But now you're probably wondering about how much all of this actually costs. So let's look at their pricing. Now, Pexda offers a subscription model, and as you can see, for a limited time, you can get a 50% off. They've got a standard plan starting at $195 for 14 days, and then it goes up to almost $15 a month. The premium, which is really popular, it's the most popular one, and then it goes up to ultimate if you want to scale your business at almost $100 a month. And so you can see what's included in each of these subscriptions here. If you want to try out any one of them, you can use the link in the description and sign up. You can also cancel anytime, so there's no commitment. What about automation features? While Pexda does not focus on automation of dropshipping operations like order fulfillment, it automates the process of product and ad research, significantly reducing the time and effort that it takes you to identify profitable products and effective ads. So what about analytics and reporting? Pexda provides detailed analytics on product performance and ad success, which helps users make informed decisions based on real-time data. The platform's reporting tools are geared towards optimizing e-commerce and advertising strategies. Now, if you're using a phone, if you want to be able to access Pexda on your mobile device, unfortunately, they don't offer a mobile app right now, which could be a limitation if you're planning on managing your business through your phone. But it shouldn't be a problem. Most people use their laptop anyway for business. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, user feedback for Pexda is generally pretty positive. Many users appreciate the quality of the product insights and the ease of integrating with Shopify. Some users, however, wish there was more extensive platform integration, so with other platforms, and maybe some additional features for supplier management. Overall, Pexda is a powerful tool for dropshippers that are focused on discovering winning products and leveraging data-driven insights for successful entry into the market. Its strength is in product curation and ad analysis, which makes it really valuable, especially if you're using Shopify. And it could benefit from broader integration with other e-commerce platforms and a mobile app, but that's something that they might upgrade and add in the future, so stay tuned. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.